My name is Steve Minney. I'm Head of Undergraduate Recruitment at Swansea University. I work right around the UK recruiting students to come and study at our university. We are very keen to recruit students with curiosity, resilience and a really broad range of skills. The Welsh Baccalaureate is an overarching qualification which comprises a number of elements. The key one, as far as we're concerned as a university, is the Skills Challenge Certificate. This qualification is really innovative. The Skills Challenge Certificate develops a huge range of really powerful and useful skills for students entering higher education, such as critical thinking, research methodologies, the ability to present in person as well as on paper. And more than anything, it makes them global learners. It enables them to contextualize everything that they learn and apply it to real life events. I really feel that Welsh students have an advantage. In terms of tangible benefits in applying, we're very happy for the Skills Challenge Certificate grade to be counted as directly for admission to the university. We don't consider the Welsh Baccalaureate to be an easy option or a shortcut to admission to the university. It is a different means of teaching, it's a different form of learning and assessment, and it brings us a more diverse set of learners.